Allcove San Juan Capistrano is redefining youth wellness in California. By bringing together mental health, physical care, and community support in one accessible and innovative space, it sets a new standard for the next generation. Discover how this model, shaped through powerful partnerships, becomes a space where youth feel supported, connected, and proud to belong.
I'm Susan Parmalee. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and the executive director of the Wellness and Prevention Center, and we are the operator of Allcove San Juan Capistrano. Allcove is a statewide model designed to be a prevention and early intervention center for young people ages 12 to 25. Stanford started the Allcove model in their Department of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. And what they did is they did a lot of research about models that were in Australia, British Columbia, and Ireland, and really took what was working there and said, let's see how this fits in the United States. So California is now a lead innovator in youth mental health and wellness. The concept of Allcove is that we would like to see less youth becoming more seriously ill and ending up in our ERs and our inpatient mental health centers. We do this by giving them a safe space to let us know what's going on in their lives early, when it's more important to intervene and prevent those more serious mental illnesses. They come, they can do social connected activities in the Cove. When they're ready, they might ask us to see a mental health clinician, a doctor, a career and academic specialist. They might join special small groups, and all designed to help them thrive and transition into healthier adulthoods. When I started talking to SAA, what they understood was they understood the model and the importance of integrating the youth input into the project. They were excellent at engaging our youth leaders and listening to them and incorporating what they said into the design, and also understanding the complexity of having to have medical care, mental health care, and youth-driven design as part of the project.
My name is Richard, and I'm a member of the Youth Advisory Group at Allcove. One of my favorite areas in Allcove is the common space, and this area always makes me super welcome when we come in here and have our youth advisory group meetings. And some of my favorite aspects are the super bright colors, like the artwork on the wall, and also the wide array of different furniture selections. Just always makes me feel super comfortable and makes me really willing to speak very freely.
My name is Moth, and I'm part of the Youth Advisory Group at Allcove. I love the open floor plan of the ground level. It really invokes a sense of community where everyone can access each other, but also the glass walls allow for privacy, so we maintain community safety as well.
When I walk in, I can feel the youth's impact in the design, and it doesn't look like a medical facility. It looks like somewhere where they can be comfortable and get a high level of care. So it's that for them to be able to walk in and be like, I like being here and want to stay and come back has really been what's impressed me most about the space in action.
At SAA, our goal was to transform challenges into opportunities by designing infrastructure that supports youth, the care team, and the long-term investment behind Allcove. The challenge wasn't just meeting healthcare standards, it was making sure everyone felt safe and respected from the moment they walked in. Our team was balancing clinical and operational flow requirements, a licensed medical office, individual and group therapy spaces, administrative offices, a training room, and a cove, a community area with a kitchen, living room, and activity spaces.
This is an award-winning project because it didn't take the easy way out. We took a building with old, difficult infrastructure and created something modern and human-centered. Winning that recognition is a win-win-win. It validates Susan's vision, it proves SAA problem-solving and precision, and most importantly, it gives the youth in this community a great space they can be proud of.